Hi guys, okay, so we're reading Skeleton Hiccups today. My last video we were reading this. So let's go. Skeleton Hiccup, hiccup, hiccup. Skeleton Hiccup. By, I don't know how to pronounce the name. Skeleton woke up. Hiccup, hiccup, hiccup. He had the hiccups. Skeleton woke up. Had the hiccups. Hiccup, hiccup, hiccup. Hiccup, hiccup, hiccup. Took a shower. Brushed his teeth. Hiccup, hiccup, hiccup. Polished his bones. Hiccup, hiccup, hiccup. Carved a pumpkin. Hiccup, hiccup, hiccup. Raked some leaves. Hiccup, hiccup, hiccup. Oh, I forgot to show you the pictures. I'm so sorry. Here's the first page. Let me show you the next page. Took a shower. Brushed his teeth. Polished his bones. Carved a pumpkin. Break some leaves. Played with the ghost. Hiccup, hiccup, hiccup. Ghost told Skeleton, hiccup, 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 hiccup. Hold your breath. Eat some sugar. Hiccup, hiccup, hiccup. Press your fingers. Hiccup, hiccup, hiccup. Over your eyeballs. Hiccup, hiccup, hiccup. Drink some water. Hiccup, hiccup, hiccup. Upside down. Hiccup, hiccup, hiccup. Hiccup, hiccup, hiccup. Ghost made a face. Hiccup, hiccup, hiccup. Hiccup, hiccup, hiccup. Said boo to the skeleton. Ghost made a face. Said boo to the skeleton. Hiccup, hiccup, hiccup. You know how you like try to scare somebody when they have the hiccup? That's what he's trying to do. He's trying to scare them out of them. But it's not working, is it? Nothing worked. But nothing worked. Hiccup, 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 hiccup. The hiccup stayed. Then Ghost got smart. Hiccup, hiccup, hiccup. Found a mirror. Hiccup, hiccup, hiccup. Held it up. Hiccup, hiccup, hiccup. So he found a mirror. What is he going to do with the mirror? Is the skeleton going to look at himself and then he's going to be scared because he's a skeleton? Who knows? Skeleton screamed. Hiccup, hiccup, hiccup. The hiccups left. Skeleton screamed because he looked at himself in the mirror. The hiccups left. Hiccup, hiccup. They jumped heavily. They jumped away. They jumped away. Hiccup, hiccup, hiccup. Hooray! The end. So come with me to my next video. I am going to be playing the piano. Don't be surprised if I mess up. The song that I'm going to be playing is called Hiccups. Bye. See you later.